Hello Stampers and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. Today I wanted to show you this beautiful Share What You Love Specialty Designer Series paper. It comes with 6 different sheets for each double-sided. So that's a total of 24 sheets of double-sided designer paper. So you get 4 sheets of each one. So I'm going to show you the full design because of course the catalog just doesn't do it justice with that little bitty swatch. So I wanted to show you the full sheet so you can get the full spectrum of just how beautiful this paper is, and also let you see that fabulous shine for the specialty portion of it because it is gorgeous. It sort of has like an iridescent pearlized shine to it. So let's get started. Let's just bring back in all of that beautiful paper. Of course, my favorites are these super floral images. I just think they're just absolutely stunning because I love flowers so much. So definitely be sure to check out my blog, laurastamppad.com, to see samples using this designer series paper. And of course, you can get it with the pre-release in May of the Share What You Love bundle, but otherwise it will be out in the new catalog on June 1st. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you all next time. Happy stamping. Bye-bye.